Quarantine cooking part 2. For anybody that's seen Pasta Grannies, we are certainly not anywhere that adept, but
I mean, it looks like pasta.
it does. This is going to take us forever. We're going to eat on Tuesday. Still going. So this will be the topping for our orecchiette pasta tonight. Usually would be my mother's homemade sauce, but we had a container in the freezer from Mama Nina's in Bethlehem, and we'll put a link to their restaurant in the description underneath here. But absolutely wonderful place in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, if you've ever been there. So once the pasta's done, we'll have some chicken and some sausage and some wonderful tomato sauce. I think you're right what you said to me before. The key is trying to get it even with the handle. Use the handle gap, so to speak.
Yeah.
The handle's thicker than the blade.
Yeah, so I'm just cutting here.
Mm-hmm.
And then pivoting on my right hand. Roll it.
Yeah, you kind of using your knuckles as a spacer.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Seems to be working okay.
Pasta being added to the water. Vintage Pyrex in action.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo.